Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to duplicate a sheet on your Microsoft Excel mobile application. So if you're having any changes, you just want to have a changes, you can just duplicate it and just change the changes, and you can delete the original file, or you can, if it is not right, you just delete the duplicate by using this method. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to duplicate a sheet in Microsoft Excel mobile, I just going to show in this video. Click on plus symbol and just going to open a template here. So this is a first sheet, which is a task sheet. So I just want to duplicate this sheet. So first of all, click on the sheet and you just click again. You will see a duplicate option. Just click this and make it duplicate. That's it. So the duplicate option is so important, because if you are changing any data here, you just make a duplicate. So if anything gone wrong, you can just delete the new sheet, and you can use the old sheet again. So just click on the sheet that you want to make a duplicate and click on the sheet, and you will see a pop-up here, and you just click on duplicate. You can make how many time you just want a duplicate, you can see, and you can just rename the sheet by for the things that you want to rename it as, like data. So it's easier to make a duplicate sheet on your Microsoft Excel mobile. Want to click on the sheet again, click on duplicate again. So I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.